down.
We're back playing some more Tornado Survival. So let's go out here real quick. Why is my FPS so low again? I thought I fixed this. Oh, there it goes. That cylinder and all the chunks. And my freaking buttons aren't working. Okay, here we go. Alright, guys. So, I have an announcement to make. I have some merch. So, yeah, if you guys want to check that out, link in the description. We have limited time merch coming soon. And, if you guys have any merch ideas you guys want me to do, let me know. Because I would be more happy to do it. But, yep, that's one announcement. That's pretty much the only one. Oh, yeah, I might not do the double uploads anymore. I'm going to be uploading whenever I have a chance now. At school, I'm starting to get all the exams and stuff. Yeah, it sucks. But anyway, let's see here. I think today we're gonna work on making a farm. So we have some stuff to work with. And we might get a storm. I don't know. How's it looking? The wind's not looking. I can't really tell, like in the older versions you can, but yeah. See, look how smooth the game runs whenever you get all the stuff loaded up. Anyway, so let's make our farm down there somewhere. Wow. I remember I died here one time. That was very interesting whenever I died. Why is all this gravel under here? Weird. Oh, it's still on peaceful. Let me change that real quick. There we go. So, I think we're gonna build some nice little area under here. Oh yeah, I need to fix my render distance too. There we go. So we can see further now, because I have Optifine. What you can tell, the chunks are definitely loading in faster. But they load in super fast whenever you're not on camera, but the camera makes it move slower. But, anyway. Yeah. I forgot I get some stuff to make a hope. Which sucks, but yeah. We're gonna have to go back up there. Actually, I might make a stairway under here, under the mountain, and make it go up. I think that'd be pretty cool. Hopefully, we'll be able to make a farm this episode. But God, I can't talk. I hope we'll be able to make a farm this episode, but I'm not so sure. Because I'm just trying to get situated, the house. And I have the mini map. Yeah. Oh, okay. Let's see here. Let me get some cobblestone. I might get rid of these two. Oh man. I don't have no torches either. I really don't have nothing to talk about today. sorry about that. Let me see my armor though. Okay, it's fine. Do you guys have any ideas for the house though? Because I really don't have no more ideas. I mean, I have farms and stuff to do. But do you guys have any ideas for the house? We'll expand it eventually. For now, how do we go from the front of it to the back of it? Oh, wow. Hold up. Oh, it's because our house is on the floating part. Okay. That makes more sense now. Oh, at first I was so confused. Hold on, guys, I'm getting repositioned. But yeah, I was so confused. I was like, huh? Okay, I'm waiting for the recording cut out. It's probably about to do that. Okay, so let's get. I don't know. We need that. We don't even have no seats. I don't even need any more of this. Let's go to bed real quick. Alright. The morning, do we have any tornadoes? I don't think that's a glitch on this version of the mod. But on 1.2.5, there's this glitch where every time you go to bed, or every time it stops raining, there's always a tornado that forms. It's very interesting. Oh, that's what I need. I need to get torches. Maybe if I can get into the house. Oh my god, I pressed the wrong button. I don't even think we have sticks, do we? So you pointing. What is happening? It was staying closed. That was weird. Okay, let's go. Didn't even put them on a hotbar. I was thinking about putting like a little weather tower on the top of our house though, so we can get a better, more elevated view. Okay, zombie, where are you? You must be somewhere over here. There you are. Die! You're gonna have to slide it up under here so we don't have no mobs spawning in. Maybe if I can get up there. There we go. I didn't even craft what I needed. It'll be fine. We'll go craft it here in a minute. We'll try to clean up these torches too. How many minutes are we on the recording? As soon as I checked it, it cut out. Okay, so yeah. As soon as I looked at it, it said 9:58. So you know what? I just waited for it. Dang, it's already been 10 minutes though. Well, I'm trying to make a super long video. One thing I don't like is that whenever I do work off camera, we always get a storm. I might stop doing work off camera and create my own world for tornadoes. My personal world. Okay, so I need to get what we need. I pressed the wrong button. Let's go on down here. Maybe, if we ever can. And we only need 2, don't we? I did so much mining off camera. I spent a long time. Don't know the exact time because I wasn't counting it. I know it was a long time. Because all those storms of the lore episode, those are all the storms in the middle of that. Those happened while I was mining. Because all of a sudden you would just hear a loud thunder and you look over, you open your debug, and it's a stage 2 storm. So, pretty insane. Okay, that should be big enough for now. Let's go get some seeds. Holy crap, my FPS just dropped super low right there. It went back up now. Come on, Minecraft, don't crash. Please don't crash. You're lagging super hard. I feel like this game is about to crash, just lagging. How have I not get no more seeds yet? There we go, we got one. There we go. Okay. So you guys probably wondering why I brought the cobblestone down. Well, I brought it down so we can put it around the crop so if a tornado comes it doesn't suck it up easily. Cause we can't lose these crops. Or props, I mean crops. Oh my gosh, where are they at? Are they in that little area down here? Is there a zombie spawner in hello. Oh, that doesn't deflect it. I wonder why. Okay, we're gonna have to light this area up or something. I don't have a piece of wood on me. Let's go get some wood and light this place up. I'll light up here in a minute though. I want to finish this farm and at least plant stuff. can go chop down a tree real quick. No, I don't want a waypoint. I just put that right on top of that. I'll start recording at 5 minutes. Okay. Oh, I know what happened. It's because I blocked off the water. And it can't go through that, can it? Look how cool that looks. There we go. Now we can plant these seeds. Oh, it's too dark. So I have to go get torches. No matter what now. Okay, well, let's go get torches real quick. Maybe if I can find the right way. So I'm sorry this episode's so boring. I'm not talking. Where'd you come from? Oh, that's probably a sunset. I want to take a screenshot of the sunset real quick. Cause that'll look nice. Let's go get our stuff and I can take a screenshot of it. Sunset. Slow wind. Look at the clouds going in that direction too. It's gonna be beautiful. I pressed the wrong button. There we go. Let's take another one. There we go. One more just for the fun of it. There we go. We got 3 screenshots of that. I think we'll be fine. That's a beautiful sunset. And I like the music playing for it too. Look, our FPS, it went up. Alright, well, let's go finish our job. Or we can go to bed. No, I don't know. Waypoint. One day I should go show you guys that one cave I got all the stuff in though. It's a humongous over there. It was the cave we were living in too. Okay, let's go head down. How many episodes do you guys think I should do this season? We're on episode 7. I'm starting to run out of ideas. Just very slowly. I think the next version I'm playing on is the 1. Or we'll go backwards to 1.2.5, or we'll go to 1.6.4. Or we might do modded 1.5.2 with different mods to go with the real mod. as I was saying, we might do modded 1.16, or not 1.16, 1.5.2, and we'll have the tornado mod with some other mods. But it's up to you guys. Should I keep on doing season 1, or should I do modded survival, or should I just keep on doing, or should I do season 2? I mean, the tornado mod's staying in no matter what. I just did that. But I don't know if you guys want some other things to go with it. But if we're not gonna do, if you guys pick to not do this no more, I'm still gonna upload it, but not as much, because yeah, it's up to you guys. So let me know in the comments. I'm loving the tornado survival. I don't care if we do modded either. Alright, well, this episode was pretty boring. Just building a farm. I need to finish the farm though. Hopefully I'll be able to make it nicer soon. Oh my god, I'm not trying to do that. Alright, there we go. There we go, guys. That might be it for this episode. Nothing too crazy, just, you know, some casual stuff going on. Which I'm fine with that, but yeah. Anyway, let me guys know what you guys want. Oh, the wind's starting to go up a little bit. Nah, it's going down. Okay, well, let me know what you guys want. If you guys want to keep on doing tornado mod, modded 1.5.2, or season 2 tornado mod survival. But yeah, I mean, I'm not trying to end it this early, but I'm gonna keep season 1 going. If you guys choose to do something else, I'll start a different series of it. But if we do end season 1, then that sucks. I think I'll actually keep on doing season 1 until I'm completely out of ideas, because I'm starting to get more. Because we still have to get brick and stuff for different houses. I want to make a good, nice little area. But I want mine colony, because I checked out that mod and it looks cool. So, oh yeah, I need to do some config stuff real quick too, because I screwed up on those. So that might be what the rest of it was, just me configuring, because this has to go down instead of up, because the higher up it is, the less chance it is. I realized. So let's go over here. Pretty sure that's how it works. So I didn't save it, did I? Nope. 3. Save. Okay. Yeah, that should be all. Everything was changed, isn't it? Yeah, because everything else is over here. I don't really care about vector trees. Oh, we might add waves back too, because I like waves. We'll see how laggy it makes the game. That's what's depending if we want waves. So let's go see if we got any waves today. Don't look like it though. That was scary wind sound right there. Alright, well yeah, that should be the end of the episode. I might do some off-camera work, but I'm not so sure. I might just start my own survival. I really want to start one with some friends though. But you know, we'll see. I'll see what's happening. I don't know. I think we'll keep on doing season 1. We won't go to season 2 yet. It's too early. So yeah. But a modded 1.5.2 tornado mod. Let me know. Let me know. Because I have some ideas. Anyway, this is Fire Tiger leaving you guys. Stay with the Fire Squad. Check out the new merch. And as always, stay fiery. Peace.